Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Mitsubishi Pajero service light. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, turn the ignition key to the off position. Next, locate the service reminder button on your dashboard. This button is usually found near the instrument cluster. Getting these initial steps right is crucial for a smooth reset process. Let's get started with the next step. Now, with the ignition off, press and hold that service reminder button firmly. While still holding the button, turn your ignition key to the on position. Do not start the engine, just turn the key enough for the dashboard lights to illuminate. Keep your eyes on the service light. It should begin to flash or change its display. This indicates you've entered the reset mode successfully. Keep holding the service reminder button until the service light either turns off completely or stops flashing and resets. This might take a few seconds, so be patient. Once the light indicates a successful reset, you can release the button. Finally, turn your ignition key back to the off position to complete this stage. You're almost done with the process. To verify the reset, start your engine. The service light should now remain off, indicating a successful reset. If, for any reason, the service light reappears, simply repeat the entire procedure from the beginning. This easy method is effective for many Mitsubishi Pajero models, helping you clear that reminder quickly. Congratulations, you've successfully reset your service light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.